That no-duct kitchen upgrade can either make your home smell fresh after every fry-up or leave you wondering why the hood is running but the odors are still hanging around. Welcome back. Today you're getting the real-world tested-style breakdown of the best ductless range hoods with the exact kind of details you only notice after living with them. Noise, smoke capture, filter maintenance, lighting, and whether the ductless mode actually feels worth it. Number 7. Empava Ductless Ducted Range Hood. The first thing noticed with the Empava is that it looks like it's trying to punch above its price point. Clean stainless styling, a fairly straightforward control layout, and the kind of install it and move on vibe most people want from an under-cabinet hood. For light cooking, eggs, reheating, basic sautéing, it does the job without turning your kitchen into a wind tunnel. In daily use, airflow felt fine, but not confidence-inspiring when doing smoky tasks like searing or shallow frying. It's the kind of hood that keeps things from getting out of hand, but it doesn't always feel like it's winning the battle once you really load the air with grease and spice. The bigger reality check is ductless mode. Ductless range hoods rely heavily on charcoal filtration, and if that filter system isn't great, or if replacements are annoying, performance drops fast. With this Empava, the ductless setup is possible, but the long-term experience depends on staying on top of those filter swaps, which many people simply don't do. Noise-wise, it's not the worst, but it's also not the kind of hood that disappears into the background at higher speeds. When the fan ramps up, conversation volume tends to creep up too, and that matters in open kitchens where the cooktop is basically part of the living room. 6. Comfee CVU30W4AST. The Comfee is one of those hoods that makes immediate sense for apartments and simpler kitchens. Compact under-cabinet shape, convertible setup, and a spec sheet that promises solid airflow for the money. In normal weeknight cooking, it kept steam and light odors from spreading as aggressively, and the slim format doesn't visually dominate small spaces. It also brings the basics most people need: multiple fan speeds and a straightforward layout, so anyone can walk up and use it without a learning curve. If the goal is stop my cabinets from getting greasy and reduce lingering smells, it's directionally helpful. But here's where the critique shows up. The experience starts to feel strained when cooking gets heavier. If you do frequent frying, high-heat stir-fries, or anything that throws a lot of spice into the air, you may find yourself running it at top speed often. And that's usually when a hood sound becomes part of the kitchen's personality. Another practical downside is maintenance discipline. Like any ductless capable hood, if you're circulating air back into the room, you're depending on filters to do the hardest work. If the filter routine slips, you'll feel it fast in the air quality after cooking. So the Comfee works, and it's a reasonable first upgrade, but it doesn't feel like the last hood most people will ever buy, especially if they cook boldly and often. 5. CIARRA Cab 7598B. The CIARRA impressed right away in one very practical way. It's slim enough to feel modern, but it's not so minimal that it feels flimsy. The first week of use, it delivered a consistent, predictable pull for everyday cooking. Simmering, sautéing, and basic pan cooking didn't leave the kitchen smelling yesterday-ish. Button controls are old school, but in a good way. When hands are messy, simple push buttons can actually be more reliable than finicky touch panels, and the CIARRA's control approach keeps things straightforward. Performance is clearly positioned for lighter to moderate cooking rather than restaurant-level smoke. The listed airflow is on the lower end compared with the heavy hitters later in this countdown, so it feels best suited for apartments, condos, and households that don't deep fry every other night. What stood out positively is how livable it feels. LED lighting, a slim profile, and a simple rhythm. Cook, run the fan, wipe down, repeat. And for many homes, that's exactly the point. A hood you don't constantly think about. If your kitchen needs a clean-looking under-cabinet hood that behaves predictably and doesn't overcomplicate things, the Cab 7598B hits a comfortable middle ground in this lineup. 4. Tieasy wall mount range hood. Moving into wall mount territory, the Tieasy changes the whole vibe of a kitchen. It looks like a real upgrade, especially if you're replacing an old microwave hood combo or a tiny under-cabinet unit. In use, the airflow felt more convincing than the previous two products, particularly for clearing that initial burst of steam and spice when the pan first heats up. The physical size and chimney style create that classic focal point look, and in day-to-day cooking, that matters. People tend to actually use the hood more when it feels like part of the kitchen design rather than an afterthought. One of the nicest surprises is that it's positioned as fairly quiet for the category, which is important because wall mount hoods sit right at head level. Noise feels closer and louder even when specs look similar. With this one, it stayed tolerable at mid speeds, which is where most real cooking lives. Lighting is also a practical win. A wall hood that gives clear cooktop visibility makes everything feel safer and cleaner, especially when cooking at night or in kitchens with weaker ceiling lights. This is the point in the ranking where things start feeling less like, I bought a hood, and more like, I upgraded my kitchen. Number 3. BRANO UCR19B V30 New. The BRANO is where the list starts getting fun, because it's not just a hood, it's a gadget. It brings voice, gesture, and touch controls, and after testing it, gesture control quickly becomes the feature you didn't know you wanted until your hands are oily and you don't want to smear the panel. Suction is the headline here. This model is specified up to 900 CFM, and it feels like it. When cooking smoky foods, it grabs the air faster than the earlier picks, and you can feel that pull even standing a step away from the stove. The 4-speed setup helps it behave like two hoods in one. Low speed is for everyday simmering and keeping things fresh, while the higher speeds are where it starts acting like a serious smoke management tool for searing and frying. The lighting experience is also more premium than expected, especially combined with that memory mode style operation mentioned in the product's feature set, which makes repeat cooking sessions smoother. It's not just bright, it's functional in a way that makes prep and cooking feel more controlled. If a kitchen needs stronger performance, but you still want an under-cabinet format, the BRANO feels like the first power user choice in this countdown. 2. VIKIO Home VK-RP3136B. The VIKIO Home is built for people who want that bold, pro-style wall mount presence, but still need the flexibility of a convertible setup. In testing style use, it felt like the kind of hood that encourages you to cook more aggressively, because it can keep up when the pan starts smoking and the aromas get intense. What's especially appealing is the combination of strong airflow class positioning and modern control features like gesture control on models in this line. In real cooking, gesture control isn't a gimmick, it's cleanliness and convenience, especially when you're bouncing between stirring, flipping, and managing heat. Filter practicality matters more at this end of the list because these are the hoods people buy to solve a real problem: smoke, grease, and odor. Models positioned with dishwasher-safe filters make ownership easier because maintenance becomes something you'll actually do instead of something you'll avoid. A wall mount hood also tends to improve capture area for many kitchen layouts, simply because it's visually and physically centered as a dedicated venting appliance. That can translate into less lingering smell on curtains, sofa fabric, and the general house air. If you want the look of a serious kitchen and the feel of serious ventilation without jumping to the most famous brand names, this is a strong runner-up. 1. IKTCH IKPO4-36. This feels like the most complete package: strong performance, a feature set that actually improves daily use, and the kind of build and control experience that makes it feel worth it every time you cook. It's rated up to 900 CFM, and in practical use, that translates into quicker clearing of smoke and a noticeable reduction in lingering cooking odors. The control options are a big part of why it wins. Touch, gesture, and remote control are all supported, and that flexibility matters more than it sounds. Gesture is perfect mid-cook, Remote is great when you want to keep it running for a few minutes after plating, and touch is there when you want direct control. Noise management is another reason it lands at the top. This model is described with a low noise level around 40 dB on the lowest setting and up to 65 dB max, which matches the real-world feeling of quiet when you want it, powerful when you need it. That balance is what separates a hood you tolerate from a hood you genuinely like owning. Lighting and filters round out the experience. It includes adjustable LED lighting and dishwasher-safe stainless steel baffle filters, which makes long-term maintenance much more realistic for busy households. When filters are easy to clean, performance stays consistent, and that's the whole point of paying for a higher-tier hood. If the goal is the best ductless-friendly pick from this lineup, something that feels premium, performs like a beast, and still stays comfortable to live with, the IKTCH earns the #1 spot. Final thought, that's all for today, folks.